Hey you guys, I just want to do a quick tutorial video today showing you guys how I do deep conditioners with my products. Today I'll be incorporating honey. Honey has a lot of healthy benefits when it comes to using it in your natural hair, as far as moisture, keeping your hair moisturized. It has lots of minerals and vitamins, so we're going to incorporate that today. Okay, so I'm not really measuring anything, but I already have the hair butter in, the honey, oils going in, and then I'll be going in with my favorite conditioner, which of course is my Icy Conditioner from the Diamond collection. Once I do get that mixed in together, I'll just pop it in the microwave for 15 to 30 seconds, and this is the consistency that you want. You don't want it to be too oily. You definitely want it to be more conditioner than oil. And I will show you my hair before. It's so dry. And I just split my hair into 4 sections and apply from the end or from the roots down to my ends. Really focusing on my ends though, because they do get really dry sometimes. So I'm really focusing on those and massaging it through your hair. Once you massage the product through your hair, then you'll go in with your detangler brush. The only time that I will detangle my hair is if there's a moisturizer in it or if it's wet. Absolutely do not recommend detangling your hair when it's dry, because you'll just lose extra hair that doesn't need to come off. So this is another good tip for retaining your length and keeping your hair from unnecessary breakage. And then once you have it detangled, I'll just go ahead and do a 2-strand twist from top all the way down to the bottom and just wrap it up in a bantu knot. And I'll just do this same routine, saturating my hair from the roots down to the ends, really focusing on the ends and wrapping it up until my hair is completely saturated with product. And once I do that, I cover my hair with a shower cap, and I also like to add some heat just for extra penetration. Now I don't have a hooded dryer, so I just use what I got. And this is the final result. As you can see, my curls are popping and my hair is very shiny, as it should be, versus how it was before, very dry. And yes, if you guys like this DIY and you guys are interested in trying it, let me know. Thank you guys for watching.